She rests upon a sunlit patio bench, framed by blossom and gentle branches. Each movement carries a quiet grace, every detail of her ensemble glowing in a harmony. Platinum gray stocking meet the bold whisper of red So Kate and pleasure black heel. A dialogue of contrast, refined and deliberate, each step brushstroke of elegance. Her burgundy leather cross-top and frill PVC skirt dance in the light. The red So Kate heel is punctuate the ensemble. Every color perfectly orchestrate, every texture speaking of sophistication. She paused, sit, the servant box in her hand. Slowly, reverentially, she revealed the delicate fabric, tracing in the reinforced heel, the individual toe, the hallmark, CERVIN logo along the welt, a treatment to craft, to France, to timeless artistry. With careful, deliberate grace, she slides the stocking into place. The material clings like a second skin, light and whisper thin, yet effortlessly luxurious. Each welt, each detail, a silent declaration of elegance. Six vintage garter strap, precious and deliberate, secure the stockings. A ritual of refinement, a necessary devotion to tradition. Each clip a note in a symphony of pulse. She rises, fully adorned, red So Kate heel, black pleather platforms, the servant stockings grace for her silhouette, their shimmer catching the subtle daylight. The every glance, every angle, curate perfection. Descending the patio stairs, clouds temper the sunlight. The stocking respond, shifting in the hue, dancing between the gray and silver, as a pleasure heel click against polished stone. A change of setting, the garden terrace, the serenity of autumn around her. Royal Navy Sergio Rossi heel now guide her steps. The grey servant stockings whispering elegance with every stretch, every relax the pause upon the wooden bench. The servant stocking in answer form, the shimmer catching the subtle daylight. close-up reveal perfect harmony. Porcelain floors, wildflowers, polished heel. Every movement is art. Every detail whisper elegance.